So in the postscript, a few more resources for those folks who may be interested. So if you're interested in this subject, then be sure to check out our paper, which came out not too long ago on machine learning approaches for type 2 diabetes prediction and care management. The paper is fairly detailed. It's actually a 263-page report on diabetes prediction. So we talk about various feature sets, data engineering, feature engineering challenges and approaches that we encountered. And for each of these models, the various notions and metrics for fairness that we computed, what were the conclusions? And it covers not just diabetes, but various complications of diabetes, like retinopathy, neuropathy, etc. So be sure to check this out. Additionally, we're also doing a survey on responsible AI in healthcare. The URL for the survey is given on the slide. We would love to get your feedback to the various questions that we have. So on this slide, you can see some of these questions. We are planning to share the results of this survey by the end of the week. We will publish that on our GitHub website. So be sure to check that by the end of the week. And again, we would love to have your responses. And thirdly, if you are interested in this subject of AI in healthcare or responsible AI in general, we have additional tutorials that we have done in the past. So we did a tutorial on explainable models at KDD 2018. And in 2020, we had a tutorial on visual methods for explainability, especially with regards to deep explanations at the ICHI conference. And later this week, actually, Friday, US time, Pacific time, we are doing another tutorial on software as a medical device, regulating AI in healthcare via responsible AI. This should be very interesting to all the participants of this tutorial on fairness in healthcare AI. So we hope to see you, many of you there. And lastly, regarding the KDD tutorial that I just mentioned, there is actually a 20-minute preview of the tutorial, which give you an idea of what to expect at this URL. So be sure to check it out. Thank you. We can now open the floor to questions. And even beyond this tutorial, if there are any questions, comments, queries, we would be more than happy to address those.